The Ujjayanta Palace is at present the state museum and the former palace of the Manikya rulers of Tripura and situated in Agartala. In the year 1901, Maharaja Radhakishore Manikya had built the palace. At the entrance, on both sides, there are two huge lakes and beautiful gardens. Kavi Guru Ravindranath Tagore had a strong bonding with Tripura and the Tripura kingdom, who visited the state 7 times in his lifetime and had a close relation with the princely state of Tripura, and its 4 successive rulers forms an important chapter in the state's history. The aerial look of the Dumbur lake is like a tabor-shaped small drum, Dumbur, of Lord Shiva, from which the name Dumbur originates. There are 48 islands in the 41 square kilometer long lake. People from indigenous communities live on these islands. One of the islands, named Narikal Kunj, is a famous tourist destination. Narikal Kunj is an island filled with coconut trees surrounded by water. It attracts tourists from far and wide and is ideal for boating. Recently, after denudation of a natural forest area, ruins of a brick-built building emerged in the northwestern part of Sonamura subdivision on the edge of a border with Bangladesh. The local people initially attributed the remains to an ancient temple of Manasa, the goddess of snake. Attention was drawn to the Archaeological Survey of India and they took over the site. There, an idol of Lord Buddha was discovered and it was confirmed that it had been a Buddha temple. More excavation of the site will unearth the hidden story. Nir Mahal is Northeast India's only water palace, situated in the center of the gigantic Rudrasagar lake. Situated some 50 kilometers away from capital Agartala, the construction of Nir Mahal started in the year 1930 by Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. The 122-meter long crystal milky white palace has 24 rooms including halls and is surrounded by a beautiful garden. The attractive dome structures, Darbar Hall, living room for the king and queen, watchtowers, etc. awestruck everyone. The sunset view in Rudrasagar lake from the rooftop of Nir Mahal is the mesmerizing experience. The 5.3 square kilometer along Rudrasagar lake is a safe place. Unnakuti, 178 kilometer away from capital Agartala. Unnakuti in North Tripura is surrounded by hills and lush greenery and a Shaivism site. Various Hindu gods and goddesses have been sculptured on the Raghunandan hill. Among all sculptures built in the 8th and 9th centuries, the 30 feet long Unnakutvishwar Kalbhairav Shiva is famous. According to the ancient literature, the count of total sculpture at the site is 1 less than a crore, and accordingly, the name of the place is Unnakuti. Pilak in South Tripura's most famous historical site, situated some 140 kilometers away from capital Agartala. Various links of confluence of Hinduism and Buddhism are found in the surrounding areas of Pilak. The debris of ancient Hindu temples is also eye-catching. Famous structures of 9th century, Avalokiteshwar, and 12th centuries Narsingh have been discovered from here, which are now placed into Tripura State Museum. The sculptures of Mata Durga, Lord Ganesha and 10-feet long sun god attract the visitors. During excavation, several bronze idols have also been discovered in and around Pilak. Historically, the evidence of Buddhist kingdom and the then Hindu kingdom has been discovered in the region.